Hey there, Susan Gast here, and this is a quick demo on how to upload a flat 2D book cover inside of MockupShots, and we're going to make a 3D version of it. So I'm going to go change the book. They're the ones I've got that's existing. Click here to add a book. Select your book format. This is definitely vertical, it's not a square audiobook cover. Many do I want to upload? Just a single one right now because it's not a series. So I'm going to select the file. And here we go, I've managed to find it. There we are. Let the magic begin. Again, I'm in MockupShots. Making the magic happen. Wow, and look at that, right? You've got all the mock-ups, you've got transparent backgrounds, in other words, they're PNGs. You've got memes, animated GIFs, and multi-book images, all right? Right now, what I'm trying to do, let me just grab my page, get that out of the way. I am, bear with me. Okay, I am in the middle of updating all these pages with really good images, etc. Right? That could do to be a bit sharper here. Right, so you can see I've already got a paperback there. So that's fine and dandy. But right now, what I'm trying to do is have this top image be a bit more interesting than that, right? So we're going to look through. I kind of like that. So what I'm going to do is download it with this little orange button here. There you go, it's downloading it. And there it is over in the tray bouncing along. And I'm going to drag it here. Double click on it. Now I'm going to show you that's what it looks like. Of course, that's an Easter bunny, I've just realised. Probably wasn't a great choice. Blessings. Aww. Let's keep going. There's a meme. There's 3 in a row. Of course, it's all the same though, but that's neat. Got to picture my target audience, which is now skewed a little younger. It used to be people my age, old people. But now younger people are getting into the let's not waste food type of thing. Well, it's not a spiral bound, so that's no. And the book is nowhere near that thin. You got to bear in mind, you know, be critical of what you're going to be putting on your page. Click out of that. That's kind of neat. Let's download that. I don't know if it's downloading. Hello. So while that's doing that, I wish it was that actually, but it's not a spiral bound. There's a lady holding the book. So that's it for now, folks. Thanks for stopping by. You can see there are lots of different book cover 3D images, mock-ups you can use. See you later.